I never named, held on to blame that never changed. But lately I'm learning to release, to let small moments bring me peace. I don't need answers or lined in a row. I just need space for my soul to grow. And every time the dark tries to sway, something warm shows up to bless my way. Bless my way. Let the winds clear what I can't say. Let my steps find steady ground, even when the world spins round. Bless my way. Let the noise fade into gray. I trust the road, whatever it may. Light keeps finding me day by day. If I get lost in the weight of my mind, guide me back with a softer sign. Not a voice, not a call from above, just a feeling shaped like love. Now I move with a calmer tone, less afraid of the things unknown. I know the path won't always be clear, but something bright keeps pulling me